Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Password and Security. Now select Face section at the top right corner and enter your current login method. Finally, click Continue at the bottom, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then tap on Done. Now you can adjust all of those Face Unlock options however you wish to. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!